Wow, that was quick. We are just about 15 minutes in this course, and you installed the NetBeans IDE together with the JDK, with the Java Development Kit for 15 more minutes, and you type in your first line of code and you press the run button and your first Java program is already running. But maybe this was a little bit too quick for you and you get lost. This is no problem. In this lecture I want to tell you what exactly happened when we do the steps we just did. So what happened exactly? Well, while we created the project with NetBeans, a file was created on our hard drive, and this file is called courseproject.java. And this is an actual program. It's actually only a simple text file. You can view this simple text file with any editor you like, and you can also alter this text file with any editor you like. NetBeans, of course, is much more comfortable to edit Java projects. It has been automatically created by your NetBeans IDE while you created the project. And for me, it is created in the folder hierarchy in the NetBeans projects folder. And there is a project folder which is called course project, and under the source course project and then course project.java the file is located. Let's have a look at this file. This folder is already opened here on my screen, and I see that it is located in this folder over here, and I see that it is a Java file. I can simply double click it and my editor on my system is opening, and here I see the Java file. Well, this Java file is located in the package course project. That means it is inside a folder which is named course project. We already see the folder a few moments ago, and then this file includes a class which is named course project, and the class is with the same name as the file, and inside the class there's one static method, and it's called public static void main. And this static void public main method is the main entrance method of every Java program. And inside this method we put the command which is system.out.println, and it should print out hello world. System is the system library, and out is a special class in this library, and we invoke the method println, and this method cares for us to print out the string we offer here to the command line. Okay, back to our slides. We now hit the run button. What happens when we hit the run button? First of all, the Java compiler is looking for .java files, and it finds the course project.java file. And this course project.java file is compiled by the compiler to the course project.class file. If we look back into our folder, I simply close this now, and I navigate to course project and then build and classes, and then course project, the course project package. I find this course project.class here, and I also can open this, and we see that it is a binary file. So this is the bytecode which is executed when we run the program. This is automatically generated for us by the NetBeans IDE. And if we look back, the NetBeans IDE now starts up a Java virtual machine here on the right side, and inside the Java virtual machine the course project.class file is deployed, and then the program runs and the main method is executed, and this hello world shows up at the command line. That's what happened. That's a process how every Java program come into execution and is executed.